Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, we couldn't install this update, but you can try again 0xe0000100. First method is type cmd in Windows search bar, right click run as administrator. Type net space, stop space, wauserv. Type net space, stop space, bits. Type net space, stop space, crypt svc. Type ren space, //Windows software distribution space, software distribution.old. Type ren space, //Windows /catro2 space, catro2.old. Type net space, start space, wauserv. Type net space, start space, bits. Type net space, start space, crypt svc. Second method is open any browser, type Windows 11 download in browser search bar, click Windows 11 download. Click download now under create Windows 11 installation media. Open Windows ISO file. Check install Windows 11 Pro and also check keep personal files and apps. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.